Hello friends, welcome you all. So today the topic of this video is testng annotations. I already have created a class in the package various concepts, and the class name is testng annotations. So let's go and check how we can use different testng annotations. So what are the annotations basically in testng? We do have before class before class, and then we have the annotation before method, and we have test, and we have after method. Okay, test, it's the comma, and we have after method, and we have at rate after class. So these are our annotations for testng. So okay, we have more annotations, but let's have a clear understanding about it. We have before suite and after suite also, but these are the five more important that we really need to understand. How can we use these annotations? Let's say that we have few methods here. What are the methods that we can have? Let's say I do have public. What do we have? Public void, and let's say I have test 1 I do have here. And then in this test 1, what do I have? Let's say CISO, and I want to print here that I am test 1. And likewise I do have 3 methods. I am test 2, and here I can just say 2, and here test 3, and I just can say I am test 3. And let's see that we do have 2 more over here, 1 2, and this is, I will say, after, I will say after test. Let's say after test, and this one I want to say, let's say after class. Okay, so, and here I will change inside that it is after test. Let's say I am after test, and here I want to say I am uh, after class, and here this one I just can say after method also here actually. Okay, no worry. Okay, let's say that is after method basically. And here I have before this test 1, let's say I have 2 more methods, and this one, and it is let's say before class, and what else is before. Here we mention after test, let's here mention before test, we can say. So here we can say I am before class, and in this method I will want a statement I am before test. Let's say, so how many methods do we have here? We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 methods we do have here. Now let us use the annotations. So let's say that here I want to use before annotation before class. Let's use it here. Okay, and after this let's use this one here before this method. We can use it here before method, and then I have test annotations. So what can I do? I can use this test annotations here, and then it's after method, control C, where I want to use it here, and this after class annotations I want to use it here. So here these are showing me few underlines. These are showing me the underlines that are red color. So why these are, we need to actually import these annotations. So let's hover over at test first. Okay, why it's not coming? It's coming now. So you see here is the option import test org testng annotations. Let's click over here. So it has imported it here. org testng annotations test. Let's import this before, then it is also coming from the same. And let's import this before class, and let's import this after method, and let us import this after class. Okay, so here I have given 5 annotations: @, before class, @, before method, @, test, @, after method, @, after class. And these two methods, test2 and test3, I didn't give any annotations for them. So when we don't give any kind of annotations and we want to run our test by using testng, so these methods will not run, only this method will run. And now let's see. Our thing is that just first we want to execute this method so that we can get the difference. Run as testng, it is, the option is here. Let's click over here and check. So it's get run, and let's see the console now. So you see 1 run and 0 fail. So you see here I am before class, it printed, I am before test, it printed, I am test1, I am after method, I am after class. Okay, let's do one change here. I am before, instead of I am before test, let's say I am, yeah, it's like I am before test, I am after method I put here. Here let's put I am before method. Let's say here I just wanted to give I am before method. It will be easy to understand, that's why I'm changing it. Save and let's execute it again. Run as testng. So let's check the console. So what console is there? It's saying I am before class. It is executing the method, the syso statement that was in the before class. Then it is executing I am before method one time, and then I am test, and then it is executing I am after method, and then it is executing I am after class. Okay, so this has one time it has executed each and every one. Let's say now I want @test here. What will happen? So this already, this annotations I have already imported, so I do not need to import it again. Let's save it and execute it again and see what's the difference will come. Let's see now. So the console is here. Now because we run only @test, we just put on one method. So what's the difference is there? So you see before class is there one time, and after class is there one time. Before class is not anywhere else, and after class is also not anywhere else. It been executed only one time. And before is there, before is there one more time, like before is there 2 times, like there are 2 tests, test1 and test2. So before get executed 2 times, and after also get executed 2 times. So what's the difference is that before class and after class will execute only one time. Only one time these will get executed. It will not execute 2 times in a class. And before method will execute before each test one time, and after method will execute after each test at least one time. So here we executed 2 tests, so these got executed two times. Let's say we are executing another method, that is test, test. So now this before method should get execute 3 times, because we have 3 tests here, and before class should get execute one time only. Let's save it and let's execute the code and see. Okay, what is there? They have it has run 3 tests, it been run, and 3 got passed, and there is 0 failure, and skip is 0. So let's see. Before class is there one time, after class is there one time. Before method is 1, before method 2, before method 3. So before method get executed 3 times. After method get executed 1, after method 2, and after method 3. So after method get executed 3 times, and test 1, test 2, and test 3, all the tests are over there. So have you seen that the before method will get executed each and every time before our at rate test, like whatever the method we need to execute, the before method will execute at least one time for each and every method, and after method will also get executed every time after each and every method. And what will be the pattern for the execution of these methods, that like which method will get execute first? This basically depend on the alphanumeric terms. Like here alphanumeric is what alphabetical order is same for all, test, but numeric is like 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, so it will get execute. And if you want to see that another thing, let's say if I just do it b, test b, and I say test a, and then I say test c. So this test a will get execute first, not this test b, because it will follow the alphanumeric order, right? So how it will get execute? It's not here, it will not follow the top to bottom rule, it will follow the alphanumeric order. So this test a will get execute first. Here I need to say a, and here I'll be saying b, and here I'll be saying c. Let's say if it follows the rule, and the test a should come first, though we are putting it down, but it should come before test b. Let's save it and execute and check the console if I'm saying the truth. Let's say this, let's see that, and you see test A is first, test B is second, and test C is third. So this is following the alphanumeric order for executing the test. So guys, this was all about the testng annotations. I think it's a very clear explanation I try to give here. Please do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos.